Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn essential vocabulary for kitchen items and furniture. These words help you describe your home and have everyday conversations. We focus on table, chair, cabinet, sink, and counter. Each word has a clear pronunciation guide. Practice saying them slowly and clearly. Table. A table is a flat surface with legs used for eating, working, or placing things. You eat dinner on a dining table. You study on a study table. Say it with me. Table, pronounced T-E-Y bool. Repeat. Table, table, table. Use it in sentences like, the book is on the table. Chair. A chair is furniture with a back and 4 legs for sitting. You sit on chairs during meals. There are different types like dining chairs and office chairs. Say it with me. Chair. The pronunciation is C-H-air. Repeat. Chair, chair, chair. Say, I sit on the chair. Living room furniture includes sofa, TV stand, and armchair. Sofa is a long, comfortable seat for multiple people. TV stand holds your television. Armchair is a single chair with armrests. These words help you describe your living room. Practice. Sofa, TV stand, armchair. Cabinet. A cabinet is furniture with doors or drawers for storing things. Kitchen cabinets hold dishes and food. Bathroom cabinets store toiletries. Say it with me. Cabinet, pronounced C-A-B-A-N-E-T. Repeat. Cabinet, cabinet. Use it. Open the kitchen cabinet. Sink. A sink is a basin with a drain for washing dishes, hands, or vegetables. Kitchen sinks are for washing dishes. Bathroom sinks are for washing hands and face. Say it with me. Sink. Repeat. Sink, sink, sink. Say, wash the dishes in the sink. Counter. A counter is a flat surface in the kitchen for food preparation. You chop vegetables on the counter. You place hot pots on the counter, also called countertop. Say it with me. Counter, pronounced K-O-N-T-E-R. Repeat. Counter, counter. Say, clean the kitchen counter. Congratulations! You mastered table, chair, cabinet, sink, and counter. These 5 essential words help you talk about kitchen items and furniture. Practice pronunciation daily. Use them in sentences. Review regularly to remember forever. Great job learning English vocabulary.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.